One of your biggest challenge or your biggest war in life is to step in when your brain is making a lot of excuses. When you're fearing, when you're thinking that, oh no, I think when I do this I may fail. When I try this, it might not succeed. What if I do this? I think people may laugh at me. That is the very moment that you need to step in. Your body needs to be presented. What does it mean? Action. During your deepest fear, during your deepest moment of anxiety, is when you need to step in and do it. That is when you make the difference with other people. People talk, people think, people plan. There are a lot of people who have plans. People go draw business plans. People draw a lot of business plans. And there's no business plan on earth that ends up with a conclusion of a loss. All of them says profit. But to the dismay of surprise, all the business plans after implementation, the end result is most of them are losses. In fact, greater percentages are not implemented. It remains in the brain. At least those who tried and failed, yes, they got the experience. But then those who have not tried, left it only in the brain, they lack everything. They are the biggest losers because they don't try, they lack experience. That is how life is. You need to step in, you need to do, you need to beat your mind at a time that it is thinking all the possible negative reasons towards your goal, towards your mission, towards the project you want to start, the business, the work you're doing, the hustle you're grinding. That is what is called action.